In this section, we will see our third type of machine learning algorithm, that is the reinforcement machine learning algorithm, which is the third type. This particular algorithm learns to react to an environment. We can say that this particular learning algorithm is taken from the concept of unsupervised learning, and by using the control of agents and machines, we can predict the behavior of the particular data, and that's why it is said that reinforcement machine algorithm learns to react to an particular environment. So that is nothing but reinforcement machine learning algorithm. Now we can see over here the process of reinforcement machine learning algorithm, where input raw data is given to the environment and agent, and according to that the output is generated. Means, as I said, that reinforcement machine learning is taken from the concept unsupervised learning, and it gives us the agents and the machines so that we can determine the ideal behavior of the particular dataset output. So because of that, we can maximize the performance of the machine learning algorithm. Simple feedback that informs the machine about its progress is required so that machine can learn the behavior of the particular input by its behavior. So reinforcement machine learning is not that much simple. It is tackled by different algorithms. The reinforcement machine learning algorithm, in that the agent decides, this is nothing but the agent. The agent decides the best action which is based on the current state of the results. The growth in the reinforcement learning has led to the production of wide variety of the algorithms that helps the machines to learn what the output can be or what the outcome can be. Since as we have to understand the basic concept of reinforcement machine algorithm at this moment, because as I said, we have to study all this type of machine learning algorithm in detail in our next units. So at this moment only we have to understand what is the basic concept of reinforcement machine learning algorithm. So we can say that the reinforcement machine learning algorithm is conceptually better than the supervised and unsupervised learning, because all the machine learning methods cannot fit in only supervised and unsupervised learning. Here, by using the agent and environment, we can study the behavior of the data, and according to the behavior of data, we can predict what will be the outcome or output of the particular data set. Now, up till now, we have seen supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement machine algorithm. But we can say that all the machine learning methods cannot fit into these three categories. Means, suppose we are having the collaborative filtering, which is type of recommendation algorithm with elements and that are related to both supervised and unsupervised. So at that time, we have to consider the predictions of both. We cannot consider only one type of machine learning algorithm. So we have to consider all the types of machine learning, that is supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement. And in this particular section, we have seen what is reinforcement machine learning algorithm. So reinforcement is nothing but we are giving the input raw data to the particular environment, and the agent is responsible for deciding the behavior of the particular data set, and according to that the outcome or output can be predicted. That is nothing but the reinforcement machine learning algorithm is. Now in our next section we will see the classification of the machine learning concept. Thank you.